Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale customer engagement with Zendesk. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. First, log in to your Zendesk account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Here, you'll find key metrics related to customer interactions. Next, click on the Engage tab in the menu. This section will provide tools to enhance customer engagement. Now, set up automated responses for common inquiries. Go to the Support section and then Automations. Consider utilizing Zendesk's chat feature for real-time engagement. Click on the Chat tab to configure your chat settings. You can customize greetings and response templates. Next, integrate social media channels for wider outreach. Go to the Channels section and select Social Messaging. Connecting your platforms can help you respond to customer queries faster. Head to the Reporting tab and generate reports on customer interactions. Review these metrics regularly to understand your audience better. You can also create customer segments for targeted communication. Navigate to the Customers section and start segmenting. This allows you to tailor your messages based on specific customer needs. Another effective strategy is using the ticketing system for organized support. Select the Tickets tab and organize your customers' concerns. Make sure to prioritize tickets based on urgency. Finally, encourage customer feedback through surveys. Set up simple satisfaction surveys after ticket resolutions. This will help gauge customer sentiment and adjust strategies accordingly. By following these steps, you'll be on your way to scaling customer engagement effectively with Zendesk. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.